Good morning, children. Hope you all have enjoyed Diwali vacation and now let's get back to studies. With new ray of hope and happiness, let us begin our semester 2 with EVS chapter 15 Fun with Clay. We are on page number 99 of your EVS textbook. It's an interesting chapter where we are going to learn how to make a pot on potter's wheel. But before that, let us enjoy the story of a crow. Once there was a kothimbu. It is a kind of fruit. It was running fence by fence. There came one crow. By seeing it, crow wanted to eat the kothimbu. Crow had opened its beak to eat kothimbu. The kothimbu said, Bapu, you cannot eat me by dirty beak. First find some water and wash it. Crow went near the well to wash its beak. The crow said to the well, 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 oh well, here comes a crow. Give me water to wash my beak so that I can eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Well said, if you want water to go to the potter and bring a pot, then fetch water. Now the crow flew away to the potter and said, Potter, potter, oh potter, here comes a crow. Give me a pot to fetch water to wash my beak to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. The potter said, Okay, but bring some clay so that I can make a pot. So now the crow went to timba. What is timba? It's a heap of soil. Now let us see what does he said to the timba. The crow now said to the timba, 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 oh timba, here comes a crow. Give me clay to give to the potter to make a pot to fetch water to wash my beak to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Timba said, Take horn of a deer who said no to you. Now he goes to a deer and then see what happens. Crow flew away to deer and said, Dear, dear, oh dear, here comes a crow. Give me a horn to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Deer said, You come to me and take my horn. Go and ask the dog, it will kill me. Now crow went to dog and said, Dog, dog, oh dog, here comes a crow to scare the deer so I can take its horn and dig soil to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Dog said, Oh bhai, I am too hungry. Bring milk of cow so that I can drink it and scare the deer. Now poor crow went to the cow and said, Cow, cow, oh cow, here comes a crow. Give me milk to give to the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Cow said, I am very hungry. Give me grass and feed me. Then take my milk. Then crow went to bring grass from field and he said to the field, 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 oh field, here comes a crow. Give me grasses to give to the cow, to fetch milk from it, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Field said, Oh bhai, bring sickle from blacksmith and cut the grass. Now the poor little crow went to blacksmith and then see what happens. Crow went to blacksmith and said, Blacksmith, blacksmith, oh blacksmith, here comes a crow. Give me sickle to cut grass, to give to the cow, to fetch milk, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water to wash my beak to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Now the blacksmith said, "Take the sickle." Now let us have the story in whole. Blacksmith said, "Take the sickle." Crow took the sickle and went to the field. It took some grass and fed the cow, then took her milk and gave to the dog to drink. The dog ran to scare the deer, so it gave a horn. With that horn, the crow dug the soil and gave it to the potter. The potter made a pot. Then crow had fetched water and washed its beak and ate kothimbu. So finally, now the crow is able to eat its favorite fruit kothimbu. Now children, this was the end of part 1, chapter 15, Fun with Clay. In the next video, we are going to learn to make a pot from out of the potter's wheel. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.